Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Canva for mockups. First, open Canva and select Create a Design to begin your project. Next, use the search bar to find mockup templates, which are pre-designed layouts. Browse through the options and pick one that best fits your product or brand. This initial step sets the foundation for your visual presentation, making the process straightforward and efficient. Now it's time to personalize your mockup. Upload your own product images directly into Canva. Then, simply drag and drop these images into the designated frames within your chosen template. You can easily adjust the size and position of your images to ensure they look perfect. This step allows you to showcase your product realistically, giving your audience a clear visual of what you offer. To further enhance your mockup, add text and graphic elements. Insert text boxes to include product descriptions, calls to action, or branding messages. Experiment with different fonts and colors to match your brand's aesthetic. You can also incorporate various graphic elements, such as icons or shapes, to make your design more engaging. These additions help convey your message effectively and professionally. Finally, it's time to share your completed mockup with the world. Download your finished design, selecting a high-quality file format like PNG or JPG for optimal clarity. Canva also allows you to share your mockup directly to social media platforms or via email. This last step ensures your professional-looking product presentation reaches your intended audience, ready for marketing or feedback.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.